DOG song. Well, Corey's the new Bill Cook today, apparently.
Bill, why are you so shy today? Why are you not out here?
No. Kari's doing a great job. People love Kari.
It's a sorry substitute for Bill Cook.
There are no substitutes for Bill Cook. It's like when somebody tries to use like Splenda and substitute sugar. Sure, it's fine, but it's just not the real thing, you know. Anyway, here's some Waylon Jennings music called Waymore Blues. Thank you, Hoss. Appreciate you guys. I'll tell you where to find these pants later. They'll be in my floor. Well, I woke up this morning, it was drizzling rain. Around the curve from a passenger train. It's a man yodeling and a home home. Jimmy dead, he been a long time gone, a long time gone. Yeah. He been a long time gone. If you wanna get to heaven, gotta D.I.E. Better put on your coat T.I.E. Wanna get the rabbit out the L.O.G. Make a cut motion like a D.O.G. Like a D.O.G. Just like a D.O.G. I have never seen anyone line dance to Waylon Jennings. I've never seen it.
It works though. It's a similar tempo to something like that.
They're from Minnesota too.
They're from Minnesota?
Yeah.
Oh, geez, don't judge all. Oh.
From Rochester.
Hey, Kari, do you know where that is? Where is that in the state? What direction?
That's mid. You know, like it's by the Twin Cities, sort of. It's been down there.
Hey, we had a request.